Hello, PvTube. So something came in the mail. Anyways, but you know what it is. Let's have a quick look. It's all the Kool-Aid flavors. So let's see what we have. Because I live in England, I had Kool-Aid once. Let's count how many flavors there is first. Oh, that's blooper, that's keeping in. Let's just put these bottles back. So, here the Kool-Aid there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 flavors of Kool-Aid I have here. So the first one is Choco Punch. And we have cherry, which I'll probably try today. We have grape, orange, Kool-Aid, oh yeah, pink lemonade. I would have Kool-Aid in Family Guy, I've had it once. This is green apple, that's probably the worst flavour. Blue raspberry lemonade. Pineapple. Strawberry. Berry cherry. Strawberry kiwi. And just standard, your bog standard lemonade. So I've had Kool-Aid once on this channel. Yeah. Type in the comments which one I should try first. If you don't like the comments, then I hate you all, your 10 subscribers. Just kidding. I love you all. Yeah, so yeah, I'm playing 24 hours. I'm going to choose a first flavour, but yeah, please like, subscribe, and peace.